When news broke this morning of a drone strike at the US Embassy in Riyadh, images like this started circulating across social media. They were posted by verified accounts with large followings. We checked them using Google's AI detection tools and found that they were made using AI. And they're not the only examples. Since the conflict in the Middle East broke out, social media has been flooded with fake content. This video shows a mix of AI-generated video and older footage from the last Iranian conflict. This one claims to show the downing of a US fighter jet, but it's actually a video game. And this one claims to show strikes in Tel Aviv, but it's actually showing Algerian football celebrations from 2020. During breaking news events, people turn to social media for updates, and some users post dramatic content, whether it's real or not, to maximize attention. The AI images from Riyadh came from verified accounts on X, meaning those users can earn money from engagement and views. Researchers and fact-checkers say this conflict is particularly difficult to cover due to the sheer volume of incidents and the rampant spread of misinformation on social media.